Hey everyone, welcome to my latest video where today we're going to be making shrimp ceviche. I really appreciate y'all joining, so without further ado, let's get right into it. This is how I peel the shrimp. I'm just going to take off the legs first, kind of peel the skin out, and then pinch the little tail and pull. And throw in some ice water to keep them fresh. And continue on. Now I'm done deveining these. I'm gonna chop them up and add some lime to them. I have a pound of shrimp that I've cleaned. I've deveined them, I peeled them, and I'm gonna cover them up with some lime. For about a pound of shrimp, I usually use 7 medium-sized limes like these, but the store was out, so I had to get some small ones. But the idea here is to cover the entire shrimp with lime. So first, let's chop. Just gonna rough chop these. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm done chopping. I got it to a really small consistency. It's almost like if it was ground, but it still has some nice big chunks in there. I'm just gonna grab it all, put it in my bowl. Now for the limes. And we're just gonna squeeze the limes in. Added my lime, and as you can see, that's swimming in there. It is covered completely with lime. And add a really heavy pinch of salt. Good amount. And mix it in. I'll pop this in my fridge for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna add my veggies. Been 2 hours, now it's time to add the veggies. I have here 1 cucumber. I peeled it and then I took out the seeds with a spoon. I have 1 carrot. I also peeled that. I have 2 tomatoes, a bunch of cilantro, about half an onion, this purple onion, I'm not gonna use it all. And then I have 6 chile serranos. And then for my seasonings, I'm gonna add some clamato, some jugo Maggi, Worcestershire sauce, and some ketchup. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna start with my cucumber. Chop this like this. One thing I like to do is I like to grate my carrot, just because it gives it a little bit of a finer consistency, and then I'll just give it a little rough chop afterwards. Cut the ends off of my cilantro. Give this a chop. Alrighty, last but not least, the purple onion. I saved this one for last because it makes me cry. My wife says it's because I'm a jealous person, but I don't know. Have you heard that? That saying? If you chop onions and you cry, it's because you're jealous. That's done. Not too much damage done with my eyes, but I feel a little good cry coming. Alright, I'm gonna toss that in there. Now it's time to season. I'm gonna add a bit of salt, not too much because I did add quite a bit just like about a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. Mix this in, and I'm gonna add my shrimp. This has been in the fridge for 2 hours. And lime juice and all. Just gonna go ahead and add it all in there. And mix it all in. Just a bit. Gonna do a bit of clamato, make sure you shake it well. So probably I would say about a quarter cup, not much, just like that. Not too much in there. Go ahead and put some ketchup. Now, I don't know how traditional this is. This is just the way my parents made it. So they're from a little town in Jalisco, so can't. They didn't do the Worcestershire or the salsa Maggi, but they did do the ketchup. Also, they didn't put clamato in it, but these are things that I picked up just from reading other things, and it really gives it a good flavor. All right, this shrimp ceviche is looking just about done. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a real good mix. I'm gonna taste it for salt. And should be done. Perfect on salt. Now it's time to serve. All right, let's taste. Grab some avocado. And let's dig in. That was really good. It's super fresh, super satisfying, and especially on a hot day, it's a really good recipe. Really appreciate everyone for joining. Thanks for watching. Until next time.